Hey, Ian here. Wanted to get your feedback on this thing I've been building recently, my accounts dashboard. I wanted something to look cool when I'm streaming, just like the alerts that I've been building that show up in the middle. I don't know if you've had a chance to see those yet, but anyway, accounts dashboard, let's get into it. So it's a typical account dashboard, just like the one you would see in your NinjaTrader, but it has a couple extra things. So the accounts, at least for Apex so far, are grouped by eval versus PA, so I can easily see. And we see the net liquidation value and unrealized P&L, realized P&L, and then most importantly, buffer and distance min. So let me explain what those are. Buffer is the amount of money that you can withdraw, like the maximum payout you could withdraw from the Apex account. So on this 50K PA down here, you can see the buffer is $1,049.20 because if I withdraw that, then I would have the minimum balance, $52,100 available in my account. And so any account with a positive buffer would show that here. Now, one note, if you have a balance that is higher than 52,100, but not higher than the actual minimum safety net, it won't show any buffer there. So it's not going to confuse you with that. Obviously, we can't take a payout until we're above the minimum safety net. So it considers that. Next, the distance to minimum safety net. So that is something I added that just helps me keep some perspective, you know, because a lot of times I feel like, oh, my accounts are so far away. It's going to take forever using smart risk management to reach that minimum safety net balance and then be able to start getting payouts on these accounts, because I'm trying to be careful with my risk. You know, February is getting better, but you know, in January, it was really tough and it was easy to blow accounts because, you know, trading was tougher. Price action was not great. And I started losing patience and felt like, oh, everything's getting further and further away. And that's not a good mindset to be in. So that's why I have distance to minimum safety net showing on all my accounts. So, you know, if I can see this one's only $472 away, okay, cool. Then I definitely don't need to be trading 2 contracts on that one. I can do 1. And I definitely don't need to be, you know, trading in non-ideal hours because I'm in a hurry. I can just keep letting things trade in the ideal hours for me, which is 9:30 to 10 or 10:30. So let me know your thoughts on this. Is there anything else you'd like to see on here to help you make better decisions and keep track of your trading better? Because I'm thinking about developing this into a full web app that you'd be able to sign up for and use. Currently, it's a situation where I built a NinjaTrader add-on that sends the data to this app that's running locally on my PC, and it's a browser source in my OBS. So I actually can't see it on the screen right now except for in OBS. So it's kind of hard to read, but yeah, it would be cool if it could be like a separate window or something. But you know, it's impossible to build something that looks this cool in NinjaTrader because of the limitations of WPF controls, which are what are used to build the UI in NinjaTrader. But anyway, like I said, that's a tangent. Let me know your thoughts and if you would like to see any other stuff in there, any other columns. All right, have a good one. Talk to you later.